and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and today I'm going to the San Diego Fair. So I decided to do this kind of simple look for the fair today, and I also decided to bring you guys along with me. So if you guys would like to see how I got this makeup look and would like to see some fun clips from the fair, then just keep on watching. So I already started off by doing my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm just taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer and applying this evenly. Next, I'll be taking my Mario Badescu Cucumber Facial Spray, and I'll just be spritzing that all over my face. And then I'll be taking my Morphe sponge and just pressing that into my skin. And what this does is that it creates kind of a tacky base so that when we put our foundation on, it doesn't slip on and it lasts longer. And now for foundation, I'll be using the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and I'll be using the shade 310. And then I'm just taking this very small buffing brush and just buffing that all over my face to create a light layer of foundation. And now I'm just taking my Morphe sponge and going over my foundation just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Next up, of course, is concealer, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Medium Sand. And I'll just be applying very little dots under my eyes, and then I'll put some on my chin, on my forehead, and on my nose just to create kind of those highlight points. And then I'm taking my sponge once again and blending all of that out. Now to set my face, I'll be using the Born This Way loose powder, and I'm first taking some of that powder on my beauty blender and just applying it right under my eyes, which is where I applied the concealer, just to make sure that my under eyes don't crease. And then I'm just taking some of that powder on my fluffy brush and making sure to set the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I'll be taking the Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer, and I'll be taking that on a JH05 brush, and I'm just contouring right under my cheekbones and then on my forehead just to create some more dimension in the face. Next up, I'll be taking my Butter Bronzer on a JH02 brush, which is a slightly fluffier bronzing brush, and I'm just applying this right on top of my cheekbones just to give our look a little bit of a more bronzy feeling. And now I'll be taking that same Born This Way powder on that flat side of the sponge just to clean up our bronzer. And then I forgot to bronze up our nose, so that's what I'm doing right here with the same butter bronzer, and then I'm just cleaning it up with some powder once again. Now for blush, I'll be taking the Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo, and I'm dipping into that darker pink shade with my JH06 brush, and I'm just lightly sweeping this on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm brushing all of that powder away with the JH07 brush. And then I'm just quickly spritzing my face with some of that Mario Badescu spray once again and pressing that into my skin with my beauty blender. Now for highlight, I'll be dipping into the Anastasia Sun-Kissed Glow Kit, and I'll be dipping into that shade Summer with the JH09 brush, and I'm just applying that right on top of my cheekbones just to create that highlight effect. And then taking the JH42 brush, which is a very tiny little brush. I'm taking that same highlight and then I'm just applying this right on all the high points of my face. Now I'll just be curling my lashes really quickly, and then I'm taking the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara and I'm just applying a very light coat of that onto my lashes. And now for lashes, I'll be taking the Ardell Remy lashes and I'll just be quickly applying these off camera. Next up are lips, and I'm using the NYX lip pencil in the shade Ever. And I'm just slightly lining the top of my cupid's bow and my bottom lip. And then I'm just filling in the sides so that when I place my lipstick over top, it can blend nicely with the lip liner. And now for lipstick, I'll be taking the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear lipstick in the shade Chihuahua. And that is it for this look.
Nos teníamos que cargar nuestra comida, nos daba hambre y ya nos teníamos que ir. Y me dice, ¿y estos llegan y quieren pulsera? El otro día se fueron con una...
Lean forward, close your eyes, hold your breath, hope the best, here we go! All right.
Christy. Patty, move it. Christy, turn it around.
Okay.
I don't think we would be able to do it because then we'd block people behind us.
Imagínate que sí, sí. Oh my god. Oh my god.
But you can.
Oh my god. Oh shit, that's a body. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, pero ¿en dónde están?
Oigan, wait.
And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on to get notified every single time I upload, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye. Bye. No, like wave bye.
Pero todos se me van a 25.